let's walk through this Amapiano drum loops that you can download for free right after the intro. Yo, the name is God Science, still the solution carrier, providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you're new to this channel, turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Alright guys, we are in the first video. I'm gonna walk you through this Amapiano drum loop that you can download for free. The link is in the description box, but remember to watch the video to the end to know the password to unzip the file. Very simple. Alright, so I'm gonna walk you through these drum loops. Okay, so I'm gonna open the playlist, then we're gonna drag them. So before then guys, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to the channel, give the video a like if it helps you. So I'm gonna start with the first one. The link is in the description box. Download for free, but watch the video to the end to know the password to unzip it. Let's drag this one. You can see the BPM is 112 BPM. Alright, so we're gonna change this 212. Very simple guys. Then we're gonna drag this. Alright, I'm gonna move to the next one. Alright, so let's listen. Very simple guys. I'm gonna move to the next one. Alright guys, so let's continue. Okay, so listen to this. Okay, move on to the next one. Alright guys, so let's listen to the next one. Okay, so we move to the next one. Listen to this one too. Okay, we move to the next one. Okay, download for free. The link is in the description box. Crazy, man. Wow. So you can make your Amapiano beat using this drum loop or drum loops. We listen to the next one. Crazy, this crazy. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here guys. Give the video a like if it helps you. Okay, change this to the song mode. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Let's listen. Nice one. I move to the next one. Link is in the description box. Download it for free. Crazy, man. We move to the next one. Crazy. Okay, we move on. Let's try this. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here, guys. Give the video a like if it helps you. Right. Hey. No need for you to play your drums. Just drag any of this, then start your Amapiano beat. Alright. A. Very, very nice. Link is in the description box. Download it for free, guys. Very, very nice. Last one, guys. A. 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 Crazy, man. Alright, so guys, this is the free Amapiano drums loops that you can use to make your Amapiano beats. Okay, if you found this video to be helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. The link is in the description box, and also unlock it if you have watched the video to the end. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.